What do you think it's going to take for Miami to keep top-rated kids, not that that necessarily means anything, but the 5 stars, the 4 stars, keep all those kids home and make this program maybe what it once was? What do you think it's going to take? Is it going to be tough to do, or something you sort of see happening just talking to some of the people out there, from high school?
Well, I feel like our coaches do their best to recruit, but you can't really. You can't, if a kid doesn't want to stay home or whatever, you can't really make them stay home. That's if they already have that made up in their mind. But I think we're doing the best we can to keep kids in state and coming to the U for sure.
And without naming any names until tomorrow, a kid from your high school looks like will be coming here. What does that mean to see that pipeline remain?
That's exciting for sure, and I'm happy for him. I know he's ready for the opportunity, and I'm ready for him to come in, and I'm ready to watch him grow. It's gonna be exciting and fun.
Do you keep up with who just signed? Who just sent in their or whatever they do?
If I see it on Twitter, yeah, I'll look into it, but I don't search it up or anything. No, not too much. But with the person, if somebody goes to my school, or if I know them, yeah, for sure.
Right.
Yeah, it's a big deal.
How important is it if you're still playing to get a strong class?
Oh, it's always important because you're always trying to build. You're always trying to just keep on stacking, and that's what great programs do. You can't have one class and then another one not that good, and then you got to keep it at the top. So when everybody comes in here and you have 4 or 5 classes that are all top players, good things happen.
You guys are going to be down 2 defensive ends that have opted to sit out the game. Your reaction to the decisions for Trevon Hill and also Jonathan Garvin, and then just getting a guy like Jafari Harvey in there, getting to see the next group also. My
reactions for them?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss those guys. I had a great time playing with them. I had such a great time just learning from them. They were honestly a huge blessing in my life. And for the young dudes, I'm ready to watch Jafari and Cam Williams and all them grow, and they've been looking real good out there on Green Tree. And I'm really excited for the future at that position, including me.